Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the Euro dollar monthly time frame, I am definitely still very bullish overall. I still think this looks like it's going to make a higher low. I still think we're either going to go up and make an expanding flat wave C, which would potentially bring us up above these highs, or maybe it's going to be a running flat wave C, which would more likely bring it to one of these lower highs. Either way, we should better recognize it, and either way, it should lead to a pretty nice uptrend. So heading down to the weekly time frame, I think it's extremely clear that this right here is the end of a crescent, wave 2. I think this needs to be a wave 1. I think this is a big ABC of 2. I think it is very likely that we are already in that wave 3 of that expanding flat wave C that I was just showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame, I think this right here is the top of a five-way pattern, most likely a wave 1. I think this is a big trend, wave A, 3 waves up, wave B. This does kind of have a 3 wave look to it, but I definitely think it is a trend for a wave C, 78% fib bounce. Looks like the end of a wave 2. I think we're in a wave 3 right now. It looks like we are probably due for a pretty decent pullback, but I think this will end up on these higher time frames, continuing to make higher highs and higher lows. I believe we are already in that wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last series of higher highs, higher lows. I do think we are in a pullback right now. I do think this move down is a crescent. It could possibly go quite a ways down. It could go to this area. It could possibly even go even further. So I would definitely primarily, especially if you are a short time frame trader, be looking for shorts. But if you are more of a swing trader slash day trader type trader, I would be patiently waiting for the end of a crescent for another entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So heading down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, it definitely looks like a trend right here. I still think this is likely a wave A. It kind of does still seem to me like this could actually still make a push up, and it still actually could just be an irregular ABC of B, and then probably go back down for a wave C. But like I said, if you are a short time frame trader, you should probably primarily be looking for shorts. I do think this is at least going to go down to the 61. It could even go down to the 78 and maybe even go down and break structure. So primarily you should be looking for shorts in a downtrend. It doesn't really necessarily have to go up and make this wave C or B. It could potentially just keep on drifting down to one of these fib levels and then later on break structure to the upside and continue the uptrend from there. Probably not today, probably more likely next week. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.